We sometimes get calls. Guys are having an issue. The throttle, the action is very sluggish. It doesn't want to turn. It doesn't want to snap back crisp. And one of the main issues usually is when putting a throttle on your bike, especially if you're putting a quicker turn, the action's very sluggish. What we find is it's the free play adjustment. The cable tension is too hard, and it's a push-pull system, but it doesn't want to give so that it can pull. So what usually is the instance is a person needs to adjust the cables to where the free play is put back into the housing. See, there's still no free play here, and that's not acceptable. All throttles need to have some degree of a free play, and it also takes the tension off of not a easy turning and a throttle that doesn't snap back. In this instance, it was out of adjustment quite a bit. Now I've got the appropriate free play. The throttle snaps back. So at that point, I will then tighten the jam nut and problem is solved.